Hey guys, so plano rin nag-post sila guys na magpa-cooking competition. So I'm here for it. Wapi ko guys, nangit ako ng mama. And this is it. Feel ko guys, madaog ko guys. Feel dyan ako. Manifesting God's will. So let's do this. And naka-register na ako. Hi guys, wala ko internet. So now we're makita ng alimango nga mong gamitan for practice. Yeah. And the contest is just 3 days ago. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, so it's 1 day before the competition and we practice na ako guys. Na-absent ko today sa work. Actually, kikan ko sa work ganyan morning. But na-absent ko this morning sa akong day work to prepare. Nag-prepare na ako sa mga ladunon and for the presentation and some notes, take notes, then later we'll practice migluto. And bago pa akong mata guys, it's 11:15 a.m. Cool ba na kayo girl? Bakit po naka-test ko, but feel ko makuha na ko siya. That's diba, naglista pa ko mga gamit and things to buy before later. So yeah, here naglista pa ko and with the help of ChatGPT. Nagpa-help ko sa ChatGPT. And it's 12:18 guys. Wala ba practice cook. Hi guys, update. It's 3 p.m. and malit na yung gamit. Actually guys, nakatulog rin dito. But yeah, nagplano lang ni gamay ni mama to do and what to bring and karon kay malit na yung ingredients at siguro kung gabi mag-test cook niya. So ito na guys, bye.
Yan. Tambok man ni ay. Ay. Habong ko.
Hi guys, so right now we're on the final. Let me guys, ito ko lang. So I'm preparing my ingredients. Akong dalhin tomorrow and nagluto na ko sa pie, which is kapit na siya. So yeah. Ano pa nisip ko ba naman? I'm so nervous guys, but you know, kaya natin to. Ito yung ulan guys. Thank you so much Zamora family for the air fryer. Ito kay kritik ni mama. Ang alimango dito lang sa. Yung saan man na, parang alimango dili lang sa. Dilipat, dapat dilipat tayo.
Patay mo dun niya, dugay na kayo.
Pila malasahan dyan yung malimango. Oh.
Dili, bisan pagkuhan na ani, kani ba, pag di mo ani.
Ay ka nang naitim.
Oh, cream or butter?
Pero wala butter.
Creamy. No?
Di, butangan ako ni Nestle
Nestle
cream.
cream.
Oh.
No, para dili ba ho?
Buko pie daw.
Pero dahil mango. Ano ko niyo kaning hilaw-hilaw pa ni diri sila ron kayo.
Paano ni mo say? Butang niya daghang cream o cheese. Butang niya ginger. Mabaho.
Ang gani.
Pili man ni mo dili siguro isutay pero
Ito yung comment. guys, I'm doing final notes for this afternoon para dili ko malimot. And nag-alam ko daan og guide para make my time efficient in doing the pie kay 2 hours lang ang limit sa cooking contest. And I think very crucial kaya ang time for me. So, lagyan mo lang ko daan o flow chart guys para later bongga na. See you later guys.
It's just okay. What is your municipality na you represent? And also, what's the name of your product and what inspired you to make that product?
Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. I'm Francis Ayon Jerusalem. I'm from the municipality of Dalac. Welcome Dalac! Okay, so my dish for tonight, I bring a story to tell about my hometown, which is Dalac. You know, the Alimano is the king of the shore. And also we have a bountiful harvest, like the sweet potato. And through the crust, it combines, and I know that this one is one of the flavors of Lana del Norte.
Wow, this dish, of course, ladies and gentlemen. The remaining time is 35 minutes. So, sa tanang preparation, apel na ang tapuan. Bukal na si Crab Pie. And the judges will now taste the crab pie of contestant number 3. Our contestant. Ibagotok ka ba mo dira ha?
Adakan papay diri. Dakan man papay diri. Naikuan. First time ko na-try crab pie. Ako nag-expect ng flavor mo, cheesy na kaayo. Kanang mo kaayo blended ka. Yung flavor. First time ko nag-try.
Alright. So that had crab pie, sir. Pero from here in the little number 3. Contestant number 3. Mocha pie. Kaya unique. Grabe, crab pie.